Yankees are dreaming of getting Manny Machado. Rumors, John Heyman reporting that the Yankees are inquiring about acquiring Manny Machado from the Orioles. What do you guys think about this? Do you think any chance Peter Angelos allows Manny Machado to be traded to a division rival?
Well, first of all, it's fantasy baseball for me right there. Imagine Manny Machado with the additions they made this winter on top of it. Wow.
They don't have enough positions in that lineup,
Yeah, just take a look at the lineup, guys. I mean, this is much-see TV when you look at this lineup.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you go?
Yeah, as a pitcher,
where do you go? You got to go down to the bottom third and look at DJ Gregorius. He's turned himself one of the top shortstops
and he was
in the
hitting
game.
Fourth in their lineup a year ago. Now he's hitting seventh.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
So you just call a timeout and say, can I face Gleyber Torres? And we don't know. He might be the real thing, too.
Heidi, back to your point, I do think the Orioles emotionally now have come to grips with the fact that if the right deal comes along, they're going to move him. I was never a big proponent of worrying about if it was an interdivision team, especially because he's a free agent at the end of the year. You take the best package you can at this point in time. So if it's the Yankees, it's the Yankees.